Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on show up in search results on your Reddit app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how we can do that. We'll just go up here in this picture on app, we will click, then this window show for us like you say, then we just click here on settings, then we come to settings window, then we just click here on account settings for you, then we come here to this window here like you say, then we just click here on switch accounts, then we come to accounts sorry, yeah, we will go down, we will just go down, then we come here to show up in search results, so we'll click here on this is mark, and like you say, this is color show for us. That's means show up in search results is on no, so that's on no. I wish now you are get it. You just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.